that there's no like, it will generate, and then what you just do is you go like this, and you be, oh, oh, then you play yoga, yoga, woo, yoga, and then at the end, calm yourself, what you do is you go like this, and then you go, oh, and then you go to sleep. So if you're all really calm and everything, what you want to do is you want to be calm like that for the rest of your life. And if worse comes to worse and you like totally feel crazy, then bring out your special mat and do your special breathing techniques. Which really, really helps.